Yo, good morning. Back, man. Back up in here with another. It's my fault. Bitch, I'm off again, bro. Back up in here with another one of them things, man. I gotta get on here and fix my fog light again. I know what I'm gonna do though. I'm gonna extend that wire because I ain't finna keep going through this shit. But anyway, man, what's happening with y'all, man? Back up in here, glad y'all came through to see your boy, man. Sitting at a train right now. On my way to work, man. On my way to AutoZone. What? Hey, man. Working 7 days is not for the weak, man. For real. It's crazy. Well, I tell you the truth. But anyway, man, I hope y'all having a very, very, very happy holiday season, man. I ain't gonna say I'm living a dream, but like right now, even with, you know what I'm saying, some of the stuff that's going on, some of the mishaps that you know what I'm saying, that we're going through or whatever, man. Some of the little storms we're going through, like I'm happy. Like I'm real happy, man. I'm happy with life right now and how it's turning out. Man, this the longest train ever, bro. Like what? Like, are we for real right now? What is that? Something on my windshield? Like, this the longest train ever. Like, I ain't never seen no train this long. But anyway, yeah, man. So y'all already know, I'm feeling good. So the content gonna be straight, man. For real. I'm trying to rack back up. Like, it's crazy because I done emptied my camera. Like, I think I might have one more video to post out of my camera that I hadn't posted. But for the most part, like, all of the videos in my camera are gone. And that's cool for me because I don't think I've never really been like that, especially with getting, you know what I'm saying, content back to back like that. Like, I don't think I've never been emptied out. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to slow down. This junk just stopped on the track, bro. Man, I gotta get to work, bro. Like, what we doing? Anyway, man. So I guess I just might as well get this little footage. Hold on. Yeah. So we back. Anyway, to the new subscribers, what's going on? Hey, look. I hope y'all like that. I ain't been getting a whole bunch of feedback on that the intro, that channel trailer. You know what I'm saying? I ain't been getting a whole bunch of feedback on it. How y'all like it? To the new subscribers, because I don't even think the existing subscribers can see it. So it's only for the new people. New people chime in, comment, get in the comment section, talk to me. But anyway, while we sitting at the train, I might well do something. Man, so I'm sure y'all remember when I was saying, you know, for New Year's, I'm gonna drive MayRose, and immediately after, MayRose is going out of service. Like, everything is getting transferred to the box. So that time is approaching. Maybe I should go more into detail when I get out work. When I get out work and I get home, we can sit in the garage and talk about it. Talk about everything that has to be done to MayRose to get her back in operation. I'm going to try to have MayRose back up and going by my birthday, which is August. Try to have her back up and going by then. Hopefully it works out that way. If not, the box still gonna be there. Like we finna get on the box right now. Try to get it painted. I gotta put my roof in. What else? That's it. Paint, roof, wheels. Everybody been telling me to leave the interior alone, man. Like, I really want to put some. I want to get some LS seats done and put those in there. I want to. It's a lot of other little stuff I want to do as far as consoles and there's a lot of stuff I want to do. You know what I'm saying? And we'll get into that once we start getting into that. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah. I wanna sit down and go over that with y'all. So this train moving now, so I'm finna go ahead and head to work, and then I'll holler at y'all when I get to the house. Yo, what's happening? It's your dog, man. Big B-Lo, Mr. Animate himself, back up in here with another one of them things. Y'all see where we at? It is, first of all, Happy New Year to everybody, man. Happy New Year to everybody under the sound of my voice right now. It is the 4th. It's January 4th. I know I said I wanted to drive MayRose for New Year's. For the new year, the first day of the new year. It didn't happen. Okay? It didn't happen. Sorry. Nothing was wrong. It just didn't happen. That day, that night before. Yeah, I kind of know how that went. I'm sure y'all know me, so y'all know how that went. But yeah, man. I'm finna go ahead and get to it, man. We finna attempt to get in traffic, and this right here is the first start of 2025 for MayRose, man. So I ain't gonna hold y'all up no further, no longer. I'm gonna go ahead, pop. You know what I'm saying? Do what we gotta do, and yeah, man, we're finna get in traffic and see what we can get into. So hold what you got. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all hear this first start, cold start, first start. Gotta run for a second, and yeah, that's what we finna do. years ago. 2019? 20, no. Might have been 2020. See, all that shit done under construction. I started tearing that shit apart. See my dashboard raised up and shit.
Yeah, it's okay. We ain't losing no people.
Big G over there getting that footage, man. Yeah, I see I done took that bow off, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a new year now, man. Shit, I done de-bashed her, took the bow off. Huh?
That's a camera?
Yeah.
Damn, I got an upgrade. I'm so far behind. I had saw you when you had somebody somewhere, dude had something you bought from him.
Yeah, my partner gave me this junk. Yeah. So we back at the crib. Back at the crib, man. I got a man tomorrow. Hold on. Tomorrow, man, is BB birthday. Tomorrow my daughter's birthday, man, so I gotta run out to this mall, try to find her something real quick. Some little shoes or something. And that's gonna pretty much be it. So put this car up. I need to put, get out them blinds, boy. Trying to think, man. I need to put that stuff back. Hold on. Oh. I don't know why kids like, man, they get in your blinds, man. They just be like, hey, look at these blinds. Let's just open them and rip them up. Like, what's wrong with you, boy? Them boys start getting allowance. He ain't gonna have no money, cause I'm finna be charging him to the game. Yep, I can put this over here too. No gift that Pops bought me, my jack. I need to put it in the trunk. Nah, I ain't gonna. He probably ain't gonna lift the shit up. It might though. I'm not jacking that car up no way. Why would I jack the shit up? Boy, something happened to this junk. Boy, you going on a tow truck, man. So, yeah, let me go ahead and put MayRose up, man. And get on about my business, because time ain't on my side right now. So let me go do what I gotta do. Hit y'all right back.